Now we move toward the first step. Calculate total resistance. Resistance BCD between C and D in series R1 is equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 ohm. We using the formula R is equal to R1 plus R2. Number 2, resistance between B and G. Now the diagram looks like that. This comes 12, this comes 12. Now the diagram became like that. This is 18 ohm, this is 12 ohm, we have calculated. This is 12 ohm. Here the current is I1, here the current is I2. This is potential V1 and across parallel V2. This is a cell of 6 volt. Here current is I. This is A, this is B, this is G. Resistance between B and G. Resistors are in parallel. We use the formula 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. We use the formula of resistor. Here we let the formula resistance 1 upon resistance between BG is equal to 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 12. 1 upon 12. Now the value comes 1 upon R2 is equal to 12 LCM 1 plus 1 2 upon 12 R2 is equal to 6 ohm. Now the diagram became like that. This is A, this is B, this is G. This is 18 ohm, 6 ohm. Total resistance between A and G are in series. R is equal to resistance between AB, resistance between BG is equal to 18 plus 6 is equal to 24 ohm. Now we calculate the total current. Total current by Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. We are given a battery of potential difference 6 volt. We want to calculate I. The total resistance is 24. I is equal to 6 upon 24 is equal to 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.25 ampere. 0.25 ampere. Now we calculate the potential across 18 ohm. V is equal to IR. V1 total current 0.25 into 18 is equal to 18 upon 4 is equal to 4.5 volt. Now the total potential is given 6 volt. V is equal to V1 plus V2 in series. Then 6 is equal to 4.5 plus V2. V2 is equal to 6 minus 4.5 is equal to 1.5 volt. 1.5 volt. By this we can calculate the potential across the resistance in parallel. Now current in parallel circuit. V is equal to IR. By Ohm's law, the resistance voltage is 1.5 volt. Current is I2. The total resistance is 12. I2 is equal to 1.5 3 upon 24 ampere. Similarly, I3 is equal to V2 upon the resistance is 12 is equal to 1.5 upon 12